Hello everybody, this is Dr. S.G. Mozam, consultant physician and head of the Department of Medicine and Diabetology at Sunshine Hospital, Gachibowli. Today being the World Diabetic Day, the whole world is at a loss to understand how to battle this disease. Now, you will be surprised that 537 million of the world population is at stake and is having it. 220 million do not know that they have it, but they are having it. And 1 in 10 person is having it. 4 out of 5 parents cannot recognize the symptoms. In India, we stand somewhere at around 72.9 million, and there are many, almost around 70%, who do not know whether they have it or not. Now, you would have been hearing about diabetes. Did you ever hear about the word called pre-diabetes? What does it mean? Pre-diabetes is a state where your body is not using insulin. This happens much before your diabetes sets in. By accident, if you found out that that your sugar has been detected with a glucometer, and then you immediately need to add 6 years because the pre-diabetic phase lasts for 6 years. But how do you identify the pre-diabetic phase? There are very simple tools to do that. You don't need to have any invasive method for doing that. The best way to do is that the pre-diabetic stage can be easily done by 3 parameters. One is, if you look at the wrist of your hand, you see a broken necklace line like this, you will find exactly on the nape of your neck. This is the first identification, which can be done visibly with the naked eye. Then the other is measuring the abdominal girth by taking this tape and measuring around your abdomen and bringing it to your navel area. If the abdominal girth shows in men more than 90 centimeters, then they are having pre-diabetes. If you do it for women, if they are having more than 85 centimeters, then they are also having pre-diabetic stage. And the most important, the last one, is the body mass index, which you can measure with your height and your weight in kgs. So there is a formula which you could go through on the internet and see, and you can measure that. Just 3 non-invasive parameters to tell you how you can easily measure your pre-diabetes stage. Now, the most important thing is that even after recognizing what are we supposed to do with it, you need to help yourself. This time the theme for the World Diabetic Day is that diabetes care for one and all. But you need to care to find out what is happening with you. And these are the best 3 methods I have told you to identify at a very early stage. Can you imagine that you're able to predict that you are going to have diabetes 6 years in advance by just doing these 3 simple parameters, and then you could change your lifestyle to manage your diabetes. Now, there is a saying that God helps those who help themselves, and to help themselves you need to take the initiative. There is a story behind this. There was a small girl who was holding a butterfly in her hand and asked the sage, "If it is living, I'm going to kill it. If it is dead, I'm going to make it fly." The sage said, "No, it is in your hands whether it's live or dead. So it is your responsibility to take care of it." I'm sure you will pass on this message to everyone and help them to identify diabetes at a very early stage. Thank you so much.
Sunshine.